Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am super excited. I am super excited. You know the reason why? Because I'm about to share to you my very first YouTube paycheck. I cannot believe that my channel is monetized and I have earned my first pay on YouTube. You know, when they say monetization, you're like, when I monetize, like, when will I get this money? When will it hit my account? When will it hit my local account? And yes, I'm about to reveal to you everything that went down in the course of my YouTube growth and the channel, like the overview. So first things first, I started this channel from my first content. I made my first content on the 30th of May last year, which happens to be on my birthday. So that was my intro video. You know, the basic, what we usually do when you first come on board, because that's ideally that should be the first thing you post so that people get to know you, and from that day you start to attract your audience because you're not for everyone. So that was how I made my first post, and subsequently, you know, I just kept on posting because I love to cook. That was all I did at the time, and then the shots as well, the same thing. And by December 27th of 2024, I got monetized, and that was when the journey started. So before monetization, let me just say this. I actually used Restream. I monetized using Restream, right? Because I'm just thinking right now that if I wasn't monetized, I know the perfect way to get monetized really fast, and that's like daily live streaming. You're going to attract a lot of audience, a lot of people, and then there's going to be a lot of activities, all that stuff put together. The people watching, you could have 50 people watching your live stream, and if they continue chatting and stay active, and then the number of likes is going up, all that stuff is the metrics of the analytics. They make up to the total watch time and then how many views you're going to see at the end of the day. Because you could see like 19,000 views, and it's not like 19,000 people showed up to your live stream, no, but it means that there was a lot of activities, there was a lot of engagement through the likes, through the comments, that's the chats, the repetitive chats. So I got monetized in December, but the unfortunate thing is this: I didn't know that after monetization I was supposed to complete the monetization documents and all that stuff, the process. So what is it? It's for you to put your identity, verify your identity within a period of time. I think it's within a period of 30 days. And afterwards, verify your address. First of all, verify your address and then your identity. This is within a period of 30 days, and then the other within a period of 45 days. After which your monetization is suspended if you do not do these things. I didn't do all of that, you know, because I was so relaxed that, oh, money is beginning to come in. And then I went live afterwards because I already met this community of people who were so supportive. So they were always saying, oh, when would you get monetized? Let me know, when's your monetization party, would like to come. And when I did my first live after monetization, I had about maybe less than 10 people show up, and I had 2 people who super chatted me. Super chat is available on live streams for people, for channels that are monetized. So that's a way of appreciating the creator, that content creator. So that was the first monies I got after monetization. So backstory: between January of 2025 and March of 2025, my monetization got suspended because I didn't do what I needed to do. So after a while, after 30 days, my suspension came. So all the videos I posted within this period that were supposed to be monetized did not fetch me any money. And then the videos prior to that time, maybe 0.0, like the tiniest, the most minute figure you'd ever think of was what those videos earned me, my older videos. I verified my identity. It took a while because it was as if there was something trying to discourage me, you know, not to complete the process or just to quit YouTube just at the very beginning. I verified my international passports. I uploaded the photo. It said it wasn't clear enough, I should redo that. I uploaded my national ID card, same thing. I uploaded my voter's card, same thing. It went over and over and over again until one day, I can't remember exactly what I did, but I still used my voter's card, and that was what went through eventually. And I'm grateful to God for that. And afterwards, my monetization got reinstalled. My video started fetching me 0.10 cents, and you know, I started becoming happier because yes, I'm seeing that this is a lot of work. Getting monetized is not the problem, but it's about getting the money off it. Because if your threshold is not up to $100, you can never get paid. So you might be doing 0.10 cents for a whole year. You haven't made up to $100, but you're monetized though. In the eyes of people, you're already making, wow, which house have you bought? Which land have you bought? Which car have you bought? Because you're a big girl on YouTube, without knowing that you are still not yet at your $100 threshold. In May, I started a challenge of going live every single day, and that was what helped me to also build another community apart from the community that I knew earlier. And that was where I was able to meet up to get my $100 threshold. I started meeting more people who super chatted me more. So most of my monies came from super chats, and my video started to pay me $2, $3, $5, $7, $10, $9, and I became even happier. That encouraged me the more. If I do more, I'll see more money. Ta-da! Let me show you how much I have made on my YouTube channel. My total revenue that I was paid in July of 2025, that's after 7 months of monetization, was $123. And from this $123, my taxes were deducted, and this was how much I took home. I was eventually credited $115. Guys, is it worth it? I'm asking myself, because someone might say, oh, it's too small. Let's calculate this in Naira. If I am to use $115 times 1,600 Naira, that is a total of 184,000 Naira. That was how much I have made so far on my YouTube channel. So I'm putting it out to the public. Is it worth it? Because personally, it's too small, but this is something very encouraging. Now, let me also state this. This is exclusive of other monies I have received from channels where I participated in raffle draws, live games, or I just randomly won something. Because I've had, shout out to Captain Cake, I've had Captain Cake send me money twice. It was a whole lot of money in my Nigerian currency. So I don't know about you guys, but this is a whole lot for me, because it is the baby steps that matter. There are people who have been on YouTube for over 10 years and then they have never made 1 single cent on their channel. But this is me coming on YouTube, and barely 1 year later I am making money, and for that I'm so grateful. And I don't know about you, what are you waiting for to start your YouTube channel? Start it today. Listen, let me tell you, I have quit all other social media platforms, because why would I go to Facebook to just be posting and wasting my time and have people pray for me and wish me good luck in my business all the time, when I can come on YouTube, sit down, talk, and make money? It's as simple as I watch people and then they make money off me, and people watch me and I make money off them. It's simple. And then the person who makes the most money is actually the platform that gives us this leverage to make money. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Let this be a sign for you to go ahead and start your YouTube channel today. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share this video for others to receive this beautiful, amazing info that I just shared. And I hope to see you some other time. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed. You know my even loves you. Bye-bye.